Check in now with Chief Meteorologist Craig Setzer. So, of course, you're keeping your eye on the hurricanes, but also monitoring the local weather, right, Craig?
Yeah, we've got some big thunderstorms. Folks saying, okay, enough with the hurricanes. What about what's going on here? Well, what's going on here? Big thunderstorms marching eastward out of the Everglades tonight. They were over on the west coast, and a tremendous amount of lightning as well. You can see that over the last 3 hours. Now the activity developing toward western sections of Miami-Dade and Broward. A lot of lightning. There's going to be some downpours. This activity is going to try to work its way to the coast and then should begin to fade down. All right, back into the hurricane, and there it is showing up on the coastal radars there. The center, the eye slowly making its way northwest now, closer and closer to the coast. And there is the coastline. There's Wilmington, and there are these bands. But this is the business part of the hurricane right there. That's the eye wall. The most intense winds are in that part of the storm, and then the rest of the wind field extends out away from that. Storm size is about 390 miles across. Its winds now down to 90 miles an hour, but still, those are the sustained winds. We're seeing gusts being reported. Many of the coastal sites above 100. Northwest at 6 on the speed, and Category 1. Now down to Category 1. Here's the future track. It brings it to the west and then a little bit to the southwest. This is the Saturday evening, Saturday 8 p.m. position. So if you look at the distance traveled, it's not a lot. Tremendous amounts of rain falling over similar locations means flooding is going to be a big threat, and the winds will slowly come down as it moves through. There it zips off to the northeast. There is the latest hurricane warning, the storm surge warning, and the flash flood watch, and now flash flood warnings going up. Rainfall is going to be a big deal, of course. Computer models indicating some places may see up to 30 inches, and there could be some isolated amounts heavier than that. There's the way it looks tonight, not nearly like its former self when it was out at sea in Category 4. And we're also watching Isaac. Isaac is the tropical storm that's moving to the west. Have a little bit of sputtering of thunderstorms on it. This is something we're going to watch. It has 40-mile-an-hour winds. It's going to zip along to the west, forecast to be a tropical depression, but the wind shear drops off over here. So as we would watch with any type of tropical wave, we're going to be watching that as it moves to the west. Tropical disturbance in the western Gulf is moving away. There's the moisture from Florence. We've got moisture draped over us, and there's the moisture from Isaac, which means some heavy rains down in the Caribbean, especially Haiti, Dominican Republic, Puerto Rico, and eventually Cuba, maybe even the Bahamas. Heavy rains beginning later this weekend and continuing into next week. Tonight, some passing storms for the next several hours. Warm and muggy, a low near 78. Tomorrow, hot and humid once again. It's humid out there now. Storms develop, high temperature near 91. For boaters, winds out of the southeast, pretty light, 10 knots, a 4 to 6 foot swell coming from the north, taking us through the weekend. Highs in the low 90s, lows in the upper 70s, sun and some storms.